I'd like to show everybody the Earthwise 40-volt tiller. It's going to be really good for getting those food plots out in the hard to reach areas where you don't have the accessibility with the bigger tillers and it's just hard to get to. This is a really lightweight tiller and it'll solve a lot of the issues out there doing this. Start off with, I'll show you how to turn it on. You got a push button here on the side. Push the button in, pull the lever back, the tiller's going. Release it, it stops. You do have a safety key. It has to be in place before the tiller runs. There's a battery removal. Very simple, it's got a release on the back. You pull this up, the battery releases. Put it back in, shut down. As far as the tines, you've got 4 tines here. The outer 2 are removable. If you just want to do small areas, you can take the 2 outer ones off, or you can take the 2 inner ones off and put the outer ones on. So it's a very versatile tiller to get in those hard spots that are just not real big, just to do the small jobs as well. They just go back in real simple. Back ready to go. As far as the rear wheels, if you need to get deeper tilling, there's a release button right here. Push this button in, pull the wheels up. It's now locked in place. Now it'll just till, you don't have the wheels in your way. It's a great little tiller for the use in the outdoors. When using the tiller, it does have a really low RPM, but it has high torque. It's designed that way so it does a great job and it'll till for a longer time. Runtime on this in unturned soil is between 35 and 40 minutes. It's very surprising. Don't let this little guy fool you. It will do a great job for you. When you're tilling, let the tiller run forward and let it dig as you pull backwards. Much more aggressive that way.